Updating your payout information on Clerk 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log in. Access your Clerk 2026 account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section in the main menu. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Select Payout Information. In the Account Settings, find and select the Payout Information tab. This section contains your current payout details. Step 4. Update your details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout information, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are saved successfully. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout information on Clerk 2026. Make sure to review your details periodically to keep your account information up to date.